Oh, this sound of tapping pan with the spoon, and then your heart rate increase as you pick up the dish to be curious whether this popular Arab kabsa is ready and it's made in its own traditional shape or not. So guys, let's make it now, and hopefully it will be fun for you all too. So, and before starting, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Let me show you the ingredients. So we need onions, tomatoes, chili, chicken, garlic, capsicum, lemon, cooking oil. Garam masala ingredients are like cumin, cinnamon, bay leaf, red chilli, salt, black pepper, coriander powder, turmeric, and 2 cups of the soaked rice and half cup of the cooking oil in the rice cooker. Then you have to add the chicken in this cooker, one side for 3 minutes. So when we add the chicken in it, we have to close that lid for 3 minutes. And then after opening, we change the side of the chicken pieces. Basically on one side the skin is cooked. Now we have changed the other side and close for 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, the chicken is almost cooked, and now it's time to add onions in it, and then we add garlic in it. The quantities are given in the description. Then we add the garam masala. Stir it well, and then add lemon pieces, tomato, green chili, and then add 1 cup of the water to cook it well. The gravy is almost cooked. Close it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the gravy is almost ready. Let's check it out, and then it's time to add few capsicum pieces and few lemon slices, and then stir it well and keep the lemon slices and the capsicum slices below the chicken. To make it and fully presentable when it is cooked. Now add soaked rice. I soaked it for 2 hours. For 2 cups of rice, we will add 3 cups of the water. And keep in mind the cup should be the same, means the quantity of the water and rice should be measured accordingly with the same cup. After adding it, we will close the lid and then wait for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, it's ready now. Oh my god, it smells so good. Now it's your fun time. Just enjoy the tap, 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 and tap, tap. Now lift the pan slowly and shake it well so that no chicken remains stuck on the upper side of the pan. And I'm so happy and satisfied to see that it's in full traditional condition. Just look at that and try out that recipe and share with me your experience, how much you like it. Guys, it's my time to eat, and now your time is to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you guys.